Blasting technology will speed up your manufacturing process. But great blasting technology will unlock your product's full potential. We are experts when it comes to blasting technology. Over the last 8 decades, we have been treating surfaces for the manufacturing industry. We engineer, build, and assemble our blast cabinets in-house, specially designed for professional blasters with high demands. Solid quality, reliable, and durable. Normfinish blast cabinets are designed for efficient and powerful blasting. The Cyclone technology guarantees efficient cleaning of abrasives and a constant operating mixture. The ventilator with high extraction power guarantees a continuous clear view due to an optimal circulation of air. For the upscaling additive manufacturing industry, we have developed the Normfinish 3D series. Automated post-production solutions with a main focus on the depowdering and finishing of 3D printed products made from performance plastics or metal. Customer-specific modifications are possible thanks to our own engineering department and on-site production facilities. Future-proof modular designs that will extend your setup service life. The end result that matches your requirements. Normfinish, experts in surface treatment.